Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make a highball cocktail. We'll start by gathering our essential ingredients and tools. A highball is a fantastic drink because of its simplicity and versatility. It's perfect for any occasion, offering a crisp and refreshing experience. You'll learn the fundamental steps to craft this classic, ensuring a perfectly balanced drink every time. Let's get started. First, let's gather everything we need. You'll want a good quality spirit, about 2 ounces, and a fresh, bubbly mixer. Don't forget a tall glass, often called a highball glass, and plenty of ice to keep your drink perfectly chilled. A long stirring spoon is also helpful for a gentle mix. Having everything ready makes the process smooth and enjoyable. Hey everyone, if you're finding these highball tips helpful, please hit that subscribe button and give the video a like. Quick recommendation. On another note, life's too short for a stinky car. Grab a Little Tree's Black Ice air freshener to keep your ride smelling fresh. You can find the link for that and other great deals in the description below. Now let's get back to the video. Now let's build our highball. Start by filling your glass to the brim with ice. This keeps your drink cold and prevents overdilution. Next, carefully pour in your spirit. Then, slowly add your mixer, allowing the carbonation to remain vibrant. A gentle pour helps maintain those delightful bubbles, ensuring a refreshing sip every time. Almost there? Give your drink a very gentle stir, just once or twice, to combine the spirit and mixer without losing too much fizz. A simple citrus garnish, like a lemon or lime wedge, adds a lovely aroma and a touch of brightness. Now, your highball is ready to be enjoyed. Cheers to your perfectly made drink.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.